ChainBreaker is a microbial product, with multiple strains of bacterium known to degrade hydrocarbon constituents. This well produces from the Navarro sand at 950 feet. Prior to being shut in for 6 years, it produced a half a barrel a day. Vertical production wells are treated down the backside and are then shut in for several days. After treatment, the well flowed like this at 3 barrels per day for 30 days. For the last 3 years, the well has continued to produce 3 barrels per day on a rod pump, and is treated with ChainBreaker on a 21-day cycle. Are your wells underperforming due to paraffin, depleted reservoir pressure, iron sulfides and other production issues? ChainBreaker is a highly concentrated microbial formulation that can give new life to your depleted reservoir drive. When used on a regular 30-day treatment cycle, the biogas that ChainBreaker generates in situ can give a production boost to wells previously thought to be dead. ChainBreaker is environmentally safe, highly concentrated, cost-effective, and easy to apply. If the produced water is being re-injected into the formation, the ChainBreaker in the water phase will continue to seed and maintain a growing biogas generating colony in the reservoir. Here is an Oklahoma well exhibiting biogas production energy as a result of a well-developed ChainBreaker colony.